Hey guys, thanks for clicking this video, and in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to file your LLC and get your EIN number in the state of Mississippi. And this is going to be like a walkthrough guide, and by the end of this video you will have your LLC filed and your EIN number, and the whole process is only about 5 minutes. It's really fast, really easy, and really easy to follow along with. I've seen tons of videos on YouTube that are really drawn out and complicated, and there's just no need for that. This process is really straightforward. So I'm going to show you on my screen at the same time you do it on yours. So click the link in the description below. You can just follow along with me. And again, like I said, the process is only maybe 5 minutes. So let's just get right into it. Click that link and let's get started. So it's going to take you to the Taylor Brands website, and we're going to start by clicking Mississippi. Now you're going to type in the name of your business to see if it's available for an LLC. So I do eyelash extensions on the go. All right. And you can click what stage of your business you're in at the moment. This part is just, it doesn't affect your LLC. And what industry do you fall into? Now you can see as I start to type in a letter, there are like thousands of options that come up. So just click the closest one to your business. And are you selling a physical good, a service, or maybe both? All right, and as far as planning to hire employees, maybe you have employees and you want to not have employees, or you don't have any and you maybe want to hire some in the future. That's totally fine. Just click where you are at the moment, and it won't affect your LLC filing if you change that later on. And as far as setting your annual income goal, this is just for your personal reference to look back on later. So you can click one of these, or maybe you're not sure yet, that's okay. And now you're going to type in the zip code in Mississippi where your business resides. If you don't have a storefront, you can use your home zip code, and that works just as fine. And are you serving customers online, at a shop or store, or on the go? So I am mobile and on the go, and I also have a website, so you can see I clicked both of these options. And today we're going to click LLC, and I also want you to click EIN number. So your EIN number is basically like the social security number of your business. So you're going to need it when you file your taxes, and you're also going to need it if you plan to open a business credit card or a business bank account. So highly recommend getting it sooner than later. You will more than likely need it within the first year of your business. And I love Taylor Brands for this because honestly, it's like a one-stop shop for everything business related. So let's say you want a logo created, or I don't know, maybe you need a license or a permit for something. Taylor Brands can do all of that for you. So feel free to click any others that apply for you, or if you want to go back in later on and check them out, they're all here for you. But for today, let's just click LLC and EIN. And this is a survey, we can skip it. You found Taylor Brands through YouTube. And you guys, this is just a free 12-week business coaching program. I like to select it because maybe I can learn something new. But if you want to skip, that's totally fine. And now you're going to type in your personal information. And create a password. Okay, again, they're asking, would you like Taylor Brands to help you create your EIN? So if you want to do it on your own, you can. You would just go onto the IRS website. But keep in mind, you can only do it Monday through Friday. The IRS website does not allow you to file it on the weekends. And in my opinion, government websites are really outdated and difficult to navigate. So I don't want to make any mistakes. And for me, it's worth it to have Taylor Brands do it for me. It's only $99, and that's one less thing I have to worry about. All right, and as far as hiring or assigning a registered agent, don't let this confuse you. Registered agent is basically a fancy term for who's going to receive the mail for your business. So if you live in Mississippi and your business is in Mississippi, you will be your own registered agent. This might not apply if you live in some other state and you're filing an LLC in Mississippi, maybe for tax benefits, then you would need a registered agent that lives in the state. But for most of you guys, you're going to be your own registered agent. Are you sure? Yes. And every single year you have to renew your LLC. So what happens if you forget to renew it? you're going to be hit with a bunch of late fees and fines and things that we just want to avoid, right? So if you're worried you might, forget to do it, Taylor Brands can renew it for you every single year for $199. It is a bit of an expense, but to be honest with you, if you're busy with your business and you have a lot going on, it might be worth checking out. If you think you can remember, you'll get some warnings first before they charge you late fees, so it's not going to come as a surprise. And if you think you can remember to do it, just click I'll handle the compliance. Would you like a branding toolkit? I'm going to click no. And to get our LLC in just 2 days from now, it's only $49. So let's do that. And don't need an operating agreement. All right, so for this part here, for $39, it's saying they will protect your home address. Personally, I've been using my home address for LLCs that I have, and I've never received junk mail or I've never noticed any increase in spam calls or spam junk mail or anything like that. So I'm okay with listing my home address. I would recommend, if you're not comfortable with it, you can get a virtual address. If you want to pay that $39 a month, that's up to you, but I would advise just using your home address to save money. And we're going to click no for the formation kit. And yes, let's get notified about our LLC. Okay, and you guys, you can see some different options for plans here, but for the purpose of this video, we don't need to spend any extra money, so let's get this light plan right here. Now it's going to give us a breakdown of what we're paying for. So the Mississippi filing fee is $54 for the state. We're getting that free coaching program, and we're getting that 2-day expedited filing for the LLC for $49. Now this will be your grand total for today. Keep in mind, once your LLC is filed, then you'll be given a charge of $99 for your EIN number. So don't be surprised when that charge comes through. It's just for the second part of your filing. So now we're going to go to our payment, and you're going to fill out your credit card information here. So after this, they're going to ask you what address you want to use. And again, like I mentioned, I don't have a storefront, so I always use my home address and my personal information. So I definitely advise you do the same if you don't have an address for your business. I've never received junk mail or spam, anything like that. If you are concerned about that, you can get a virtual address online. But that's it, you guys. We've filed our LLC and EIN number. It was super fast and easy, but if you do have questions, please leave them in the comments below, and I'm more than happy to answer. And I wish you the best of luck in your business, and I will see you guys in the next one.